Well, good morning, everyone. Just about. Good morning. I think it's coming up for 12 o'clock at the moment on the, what is it? 20th of August. So, you see us back on the tiling. So, I'm going to make this the last bit of video about tiling because tiling is tiling. I don't want to bore you with all the laborious bits and pieces. So, just finished. Obviously, I've just finished this corner now. And, well, I say corner. I've got to do that bit, of course, yet. But that won't take long, hopefully. Where did that come from? There we are. So, yeah, it's just a case of filling in now all the small gaps, etc., etc., etc. So I think what I've decided, I'm going to I've decided to buy a new toilet. When I say new, I mean it in B&Q. It's the cheapest one's about £80. Well, I've been looking on the marketplace, and the second-hand ones is like 50 quid, and I'm thinking, oh, do you know what? For the sake of importing somebody else's germs, for an extra 30 quid, I can't be bothered with it, because I don't know if anybody else has found dealing with people on marketplaces been a nightmare sometimes. Right, so yeah, I'll buy a new one for this corner. What else do I need? Obviously, well, I got the sink, of course. And then once all the tiles are up, I think I shall give the floor a clean and around, get it all nice and clean and tidy, hopefully. And then on to the next stage. What that would be, I have no idea. So right, so I think that'll what I shall do now, I shall switch off, and then you shall see the finished product, hopefully. Well, you know, the tiling, not the grouting as well. So from this, to this. Okay, everybody, so I shall show you a little bit of time lapse of me grouting this tiling, of course, and then and then I'm going to call it a day for today. It's not quite finished. Anyway, I'll give you a quick once around. Now then, obviously I've, I don't know if you can see, so I've put a couple of holes there, ready for the 2 supply pipes for the sink to come here. Now, I'm a bit disappointed with the grouting. I'll explain why shortly. So, yeah. Yeah, I should just come off because it's only, yeah, it should be alright. Okie doke. Anyway, so I'll just give a quick once round. Hope you can see all that. Yeah. Etc. etc. And oh, I missed a bit. No, I haven't. You may be wondering. I wonder sometimes myself. Anyway, all joking aside, there's a reason for that. I've left that joint there, and it is this. I don't know if I mentioned it in the previous one, but I'm going to take this piece of glass out, and it is big enough, and then I'm going to fit the extractor fan in this aperture then. And of course there's a 12 volt supply, which should be more, for a small area like this, that fan should be more than adequate to extract any, well, smells and and the moisture. So the reason I've left that is so I can run a 12 volt cable up here and then up into the ceiling and then connect up to the lights. And so obviously when the lights go on, the fan will work. And of course it means that if I use this area in the day, I'll have to switch the lights on to make the fan work. But as I say, it's not too Austin. Right, now then, for the grout, I've been using this, what they call it, Mappy, I think. Let me just show it to you. Mappy waterproof fix and grout. Now then, I'm a bit disappointed. It's very sloppy and very, almost like that cream you get out of the aerosol cans. And then, you know, I've worked, you know, I used a squeegee thing that you buy for grouting, and I worked it in between the joints, pushed it in hard, and yet it's also shrunk back. And it's like whipped cream, you know, out of the aerosol. It just dissolves into nothing. And as a result, I'm going to have to go over this grouting again, unfortunately, for the look of it. Because there's all, you know, I can't believe how I thought I'd worked it in, but it's all just set back. So I'm going to have to do it twice now. Well, not twice, but you know what I mean. Go over it again. Oh, what a bloody pain. So I'm not going to buy that material again. You know, it's quite frothy. It's there's no substance to it. I wouldn't use it if I was giving anybody advice. Anyway, so I've actually cut, I don't know if I can remember, cut that bit of pipe. So I'll show you a little bit of time lapse of me, a bit of grouting, and then we'll go from there. Bye for now. Well, okay everybody, so you saw that bit of time lapse. I'm going to call it a day. Now then, you may be wondering, missed a bit here. Oh, that'll come off. Hopefully. You may be wondering why, you know, this looks a bit crap on the edge. Well, there are two reasons. All the tiles I bought didn't have any glazed edges, and I wasn't going to buy special tiles for that. But so what I've done, I've bought some trim, silver trim corner, and it's going to just sit on the corner, and all that will disappear. Now then, the other thing about these tiles I've noticed is if they're not perfectly level with the net of the tile, the brown edge sticks out like a sore thumb, unfortunately. So something to bear in mind for my next job, that I don't know if you can get these tiles with a glazed edge, so to get rid of that problem. Anyway, I'll have to have a look into that. I know what you're going to say. Well, make sure they're level. Well, yeah, alright. Anyway, So I'm going to call that a day for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.